DJI continues to lead the charge with its groundbreaking innovations. The DJI Air 3S is poised to be a game-changer in aerial photography, blending advanced features with cutting-edge technology to cater to both seasoned professionals and avid enthusiasts. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the Air 3S a standout in the crowded drone market and why it's generating such excitement among the drone community. 1. The power of the 1-inch sensor. At the heart of the DJI Air 3S is its impressive 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Air 2S. This larger sensor size is crucial for enhancing image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. The increased sensor size allows the drone to capture more light, resulting in clearer, more vibrant images with reduced noise. This is especially beneficial for night photography or shooting in challenging lighting environments. The Air 3S's 1-inch sensor provides photographers with the capability to capture wide and sharp images that are rich in detail. Whether you're photographing intricate cityscapes, vast landscapes, or delicate subjects, the enhanced sensor ensures that every shot is rendered with exceptional clarity and depth. 2. Revolutionary lens design. Complementing the advanced sensor is the Air 3S's new 1-inch ultra-wide lens. This lens design marks a significant leap forward from the Air 2S, offering a broader field of view and sharper image quality. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing expansive panoramas and sweeping landscapes with impressive detail. This lens is particularly advantageous for professional photographers and videographers who require high-resolution images for large prints or detailed digital projects. The ability to capture a wider scene without compromising on sharpness allows for a more immersive visual experience, making it easier to showcase the grandeur of natural vistas or the complexity of urban environments. Number 3. Panoramic photography redefined. The Air 3S takes panoramic photography to new heights with its capability to shoot in resolutions up to 13,000 by 6,500 pixels. This high-resolution panoramic mode allows users to create detailed and expansive visual canvases that capture the essence of sweeping vistas and intricate cityscapes. 4. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Safety is paramount in drone operation, and the Air 3S addresses this with its state-of-the-art omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. This advanced feature equips the drone with sensors capable of detecting potential hazards in all directions: forward, backward. 5. Pricing and availability. As with any new technology, pricing is a key consideration. The DJI Air 3S is expected to be priced competitively at approximately $1,999. While this is a slight increase over the Air 2S, drone enthusiasts and professionals are eagerly anticipating the summer 2024 release of the Air 3S. Bye.